Hey there, let's talk about something we all do every single day. Responding to messages, emails, texts, chats. And the truth is, the way you respond can totally change how people see you. Some of us reply too fast and too emotional. Others, way too short. That's where Gemini comes in, to help you shape your words so they actually work for you. Picture this, you get an email that really frustrates you. Instead of firing off a heated reply, you paste it into Gemini and say, "Make this professional and only about the facts." Instantly, it rewrites your draft. No anger, no drama, just a clear, smart response you won't regret later. Now, maybe you're the opposite. You keep things short. Okay, fine, that's it. In Gemini, just type, "Make this sound friendly and supportive." Boom, suddenly your message has the warmth you might leave out. See what's happening? AI isn't changing your message, it's just tuning it, taking out extra emotion when you're too reactive or adding the right touch when you're too flat. It's like having a little communication coach right in your pocket. You can even use Gemini to polish the everyday stuff. Want your email to sound polite? Ask, "Make this more respectful." Want your team update to have energy? Ask, "Add some excitement." Or if you wrote something too complicated, just say, "Simplify this so it's easy to understand." So here's the trick, AI doesn't replace your voice. It just helps you use the right version of it. Calm when you're upset, warm when it matters, professional when you need to shine. With Gemini, you don't just respond faster, you respond smarter.